Kindle Kid presents the Runway tractor. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot, the farmer. She has 2 children, called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. Ted is the tractor driver. He has filled the trailer with hay. He is taking it to the fields to feed the sheep. Poppy and Sam hear a funny noise. "Listen," says Sam. "Ted is shouting and the tractor is making a funny noise. Let's go and look." They run to the top of the hill. The tractor is racing down the hill, going faster and faster. "It won't stop," shouts Ted. The trailer comes off. The trailer runs down the hill and crashes into a fence. It tips up and all the hay falls out. The tractor runs into the pond. The tractor hits the water with a great splash. The engine makes a loud noise, then it stops with a hiss. Ted climbs down from the tractor. Ted paddles through the water and out of the pond. Poppy and Sam run down the hill. Ted is very wet. Ted takes off his boots and tips out the water. How can he get the tractor out of the pond? Go and ask Farmer Dre to help. "Ask someone to telephone Farmer Dre," says Ted. Poppy and Sam run off to the house. Farmer Dre has a big horse. Soon he walks down the hill with his horse. It is a huge cart horse, called Dolly. Ted helps with the ropes. Farmer Dre ties the ropes to the horse. Ted ties the other ends to the tractor. Dolly pulls and pulls. Very slowly the tractor starts to move. Ted pushes as hard as he can and Dolly pulls. Ted falls over. The tractor jerks forward and Ted falls in the water. No, he is wet and muddy all over. The tractor is out of the pound. "Better leave the tractor to dry," says Farmer Dre. "Then you can get the engine going again." Poppy and Sam ride home. Farmer Dre lifts them onto Dolly's back. But Ted is so muddy, he has to walk. And this is the end of the story. Please subscribe and like the video.